and gents, and welcome back to Tech Tool News. On today's lineup, we've got an exclusive on a newly released app for teenagers on the ASD spectrum.
You heard that right, folks. With a specially designed app, kids on the ASD spectrum can now navigate through crowded streets and noisy roads much easier and go about their daily lives.
Control, connect, communicate. These three words mean a lot to kids on the ASD spectrum. This is because with the unpredictability that comes with life, it will be much more convenient for them to have a daily routine in order to know what to expect every day. However, this should never discourage anyone from exploring what this world has to offer. Going out should be enjoyable, but due to unexpected instances such as traffic, anxiety can often be triggered in children on the ASD spectrum. On top of that, the sensory overload is another big problem they face because it makes it difficult for them to filter out unnecessary information. For example, according to the NIH, over 96% of children with ASD report hypersensitivities in the auditory, tactile, and visual domains. As a result, the distress caused by these particular sensory stimuli can cause self-injurious and aggressive behavior in those unable to communicate their distress. But with our app, they no longer need to worry about what could go wrong and can for once enjoy their journey. The aim of the app is not to avoid changes altogether, but to help them cope better with changes by enabling them to prepare for it in advance. The world is in their hands. Routes, locations, everything are all selected based on their needs and preferences so that they know what to expect. This is the prototype of our app, Sirius. Here's our homepage. There are 6 parts in total: About Us, Map, Favorite, Help, User, and Settings. Click on the Map button to start your journey. Within 2 clicks, you'll be able to build a personalized route to any place you want. And here, we've set up 5 locations as a demonstration. So for example, you're going to school. All you need to do is select the school button and a route will be generated. But you may wonder, how is the route being generated? Well, here's a simple analogy. On the arrows below, you can see different numbers next to them indicating the noise level, 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest. After you've selected your destination, the algorithm in our app will first map out all the possible routes and a total noise score for each route will then be calculated. The route with the lowest noise score will be selected and shown on our app. At the same time, because of our target audience, our app also uses large text and icons for maximum accessibility. In addition to that, we have included turn-by-turn navigation to make the directions clearer and more instructive for our users. And finally, in order to make our app more user-friendly, we have adopted bright colors to catch the attention of our users. So instead of going through the tedious process of looking at complicated and confusing traffic data on other apps just to know the noise level, we have broken down the data and presented them to kids in simple overlays with different colors and intensities. The darker the color, the noisier it is. So in Hong Kong, the 3 main sources of noise are from traffic, crowded spaces, and railways. But in order to determine which kind of sounds qualify as noise pollution, we had to use datasets and parameters from the Survey and Office of the Land Department, as well as city skylines and the U.S. Bureau of Transportation Statistics. All of these are based on the parameter used to define noise level and a method of collecting data in surrounding terrain. Last but not least, if you need any help or want to change the language, go to the Help page or Settings page.
What a well-designed app! By helping them with small tasks in daily life such as travel planning, Sirius gives kids on the ASD spectrum a chance to experience life with better ease and mobility. Don't you think so, Maria?
You're absolutely right, Annalise. Sirius seems to be a very user-friendly and highly customizable app that will definitely be appealing to the younger generation. With this app, not only will the lives of children on the ASD spectrum be much more easier and more enjoyable, but activities such as family outings can now be better enjoyed by ensuring both a safe and comfortable journey for all.
Well, that wraps up today's Tech 2 News. Stay tuned for another update in the tech world tomorrow.
Remember, control, connect, communicate. Thank you and have a good night.